Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. So first thing that you can do is simply restart the game or the application. Because sometimes simply restarting Monopoly Go can resolve minor glitches. In order to do this, simply navigate to your mobile's homepage and open Monopoly Go again by clicking on the icon. Now second way to do this is check the airplane mode settings. Toggle the airplane mode on or off from the top, as some devices may need a refresh to re-enable it properly. Now what you can do is simply go back to your device settings and locate Monopoly Go application and navigate to the app info section. Here, navigate to storage and click on clear cache button. This can often fix connectivity related issues. Now another thing that you can try is reinstall the app. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application from Play Store. You can click on the uninstall button here, select uninstall again and reinstall the application. This will help the app to get latest updates and patches. So that's how you fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.